Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll be going through a market analysis for gold and silver. Starting with gold on the weekly time frame, we are close to, very close to the weekly time frame range low. And in the coming weeks, we could still see gold selling down to break this point. If that doesn't happen, then we should be seeing price possibly reacting from this zone before it breaks it. Or if it doesn't even get there, this is also another zone that price could react from. If you check the most recent price action, this is still our current range. Is it okay? No, this range has been broken. So this is still our current range. Price hasn't yet, sorry, excuse me. This is still our current range, low and high. So we've had 2 weekly candles as inside candles. This is the third candle. So this week we could see a strong move away from this range. So this could be the deciding week to know if we are going to continue selling or we will start moving back to the bullish state. So going to the daily time frame, this is daily time frame, still bearish, nothing much to see there. Now price is coming out of this daily, rather not daily, lower time frame demand zone. Is also coming out from this lower time frame supply zone. So this is why here is looking tight, is ranging very well. But price is currently reacting from here now. This is our new range low and our range high candle range, because we finally, excuse me, let me look at this very well. So we broke this low here, making this the new range, and then this candle broke it. So this is still the new range though. Price just formed an inside candle, although it took out all the gains that happened the previous day. So this is still the range we are currently buying now, but I can still see us selling from there. If that doesn't work, then we could still as well buy, but for now I do think we are more inclined to sell than to buy. If you check out the 4-hour time frame, so this is the 4-hour time frame here. This is our break of structure, our 4-hour high and our 4-hour low. So here is our range. Now checking if we can find valid supply and demand zones. There's actually nothing again. Price has already mitigated everything. Let me show it. This is a mitigated here, also mitigated, and here mitigated. So we're actually free from all the zones, so we don't really have any idea now on what price is doing. Let us check the hourly time frame. So on the hourly time frame, this is our 1-hour range high, our 1-hour range low, and our 1-hour, rather this is our 1-hour break of structure, our 1-hour range low, and our 1-hour range high. So this is our current range. Now if you are to look for zones that price can react from strictly off of the 1-hour time frame, there isn't any valid zone here. There isn't any valid one, because like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, all the zones have been mitigated. This one here, this one here, same thing here. So nothing is really sure on, I'm not really sure on what price could be doing on the 1-hour time frame, or even overall for today. We could just decide to stay away from gold. If we check the 15-minute time frame, same thing. This is still the range. Yeah, price hasn't broken it yet. It just wicked off of it here. So this is still the range. I don't really see anything price is doing. So this is just a time to stay away from the markets and just watch. Okay, now moving over to silver on the weekly time frame. Silver overall is still bullish. Now if you check the most recent price action, what do we see? This is still the candle range low, this is the candle range high. So everything here, just like on gold, is just forming inside back candles. if you check out the daily time frame, so this is the daily time frame range, or rather daily time frame supply zone that I still see price coming to continue the sell. But going to the most recent price action, let's see if we can get what price is doing. Okay, this is still a daily candle range low, and this is a candle range high. So we've had about 6 daily candle inside bar candles. This is the most recent one. This is for the day, so we could see it breaking out of here or here, but I do believe here is more close, so we could break out of this one. But we have to keep on watching. We could also still form an inside candle for today. If you check out the 4-hour time frame, this is it. This is the break of structure. Here is still a range low and a range high, so the range is still intact. Same as for gold, all the zones seem to have been mitigated, so you can't really see anything there. Yes, you can't really find zones there. I think silver and gold are going to be inactive today. I don't really think I'll be trading, or I don't really see any intraday trading opportunities or swing opportunities until something is cleared out. So if you check the 1-hour time frame, this is still a 1-hour range, a break of structure. This is still a 1-hour range high and a range low. So here is our current range, same as on the 4-hour time frame. And like I said, all the zones have been mitigated here, so we don't really have anything to see. Price is currently ranging, consolidating in a very ugly fashion. Can't really see anything, so there's nothing there to do on silver. Yes, price even mitigated this one and just broke through it. And see why I said if you're trading inside the range, you could just be seeing anything happen. So yeah, that is still it on the 1-hour time frame. If you go down to the 15-minute time frame, the range is still intact. So this is still a range. Yes, this is still a range. Anyway, so that's it. I don't really have anything much to show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and we'll see you again later. Goodbye.